Hey, what's up guys? I hope that you will be fine. Welcome back to another amazing and interesting review video of review therapy. Today we are going to do review of these GRDE GLO25 wireless earbuds. So without further ado, let's start our review and don't go anywhere. Guys, I have already took everything out of the box just for you. First of all, let's take a look at the box. Wireless earphones. Our earphones are available in white color, grey color, silver color, black color and red color. We had these all things in the box. The first thing we have is a user manual. As you can see, it is available in 7 different languages. Then we have operation instructions card in English language. A USB cable, charging cable, attachments for our earbuds for comfortable use, a charging box. Charging box looks really of good quality and of good design. And our product, the earbuds. Now we will take these covers off our earbuds. To power on, we have to press on the back side for 2 seconds and they will power on. And to power off, you have to press on the back side for 3 seconds. To charge the box, you have to plug in the charging pin inside the box charging slot and then you can connect the other end with any charging adapter. There we have one comfortable attachment for comfortable use. And we can connect the rope with our earbuds so that they don't fall down into the ground. Like that you can attach them and then you can run or do whatever you want, shake your body and they will not fall off. Even if they fell out of your ears, they will not fall down onto the ground and it's a great thing. To charge them, you have to put the right one into the right slot and the left one in the left slot. And you can see the red light that they are charging, and here the blue light also indicates that they are charging. Now let's try these earbuds and see how good they are. Guys, when you will take these earbuds out of their charging box, then they will turn on and connect with each other and to your device automatically, so that you don't have to worry to turn them on and to connect them. So guys, now let's try them. This is the right one, so I will put it on my right ear. This is the left one, so I will put it on my left ear. You can put the rope here or on in the back, or you can also take it off. Guys, I have already connected these earbuds to the device from which I am filming the video so that you can judge and estimate the mic quality of these earbuds. Their sound quality was great, glorious, loud, clear, and these earbuds are one of my best reviewed earbuds. And I am feeling very comfortable. They sits in the ears very comfortably and I feel no pressure or stress to my ears. It's a great thing. So guys, I liked the earbuds myself personally and I also highly recommend them to the people who are interested and want to buy them. If you want to check them out, I will put the link in description. You can go and check them out, and if you will like them, you can buy them and order them. I hope that you liked our video. If you liked our review, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get notification of our new interesting and amazing review videos. I will catch you in the next one. Take care of yourself. Peace.